about to walk into my client's home. I keep telling them, change the code. I don't want to come to your house no more. But I'm about to go up in there again. You about to meet Corey. He's freaking awesome. Hey guys, it's Shark the Builder, and I have...
What's up? This is Corey.
Corey just want to say hi.
Hi.
You gotta tell him about
Oh, okay. You want to hear about it?
About the experience,
All right.
yes. Okay.
So Shark just redid our kitchen. It was amazing because we had some ideas, and first thing she did was put them into a computer program that made a 3D rendering so we could see it, and it helped us make some decisions like how big do we want this island to be. It helped us figure out what we're going to do with our pantry and our bathroom. And so yeah, the whole experience was great. We have a whole new kitchen. It's transformed our house, changed the shape of it, and it's a lot more fun to hang out now. So come on by and check it out.
I'm invited to the barbecue. Okay, do it one more time. Cut, one more time.
Look at this awesome sink. I love doing dishes in my new kitchen.
Shark the Builder did that. Okay, so can we just show them a couple of cool features you have in your kitchen, Corey?
This is a wine shelf that holds a case of wine.
Who built it?
Shark built it.
Of course I did.
So we got a lot of space in here.
Mm-hmm.
Shark made this space bigger, so our fridge fits now. Our fridge used to not fit, and it was really hard to open the doors, and it took up too much space.
Yeah, this was a little challenging. We actually opened the wall to try to take away some of the wall, but it's HVAC running through that wall, so it was impossible. But we made it work.
Yeah, so we used to just have a single counter that
Mm-hmm.
went all the way to the wall there, and Shark opened it up, and we can walk all the way around this huge island, and we got to go pick out the granite ourselves at this
That was pretty
industrial
cool.
granite shop, which was a lot of fun. And now we can fit 6 people comfortably. Yeah. I like the pantry. So this used to be smaller than this space, and so the size was more
turn the
than
light
double.
on, and the ceilings are 9.5 feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Shark was patient with me. She let me put in this old ugly wood and a homemade ladder.
Yeah, Corey went to a reclaim store. Was it a reclaim wood store or reclaim materials? Just materials.
All building materials. The rebuilding exchange.
Okay, and he got this cool piece of wood that didn't look so cool when he first got it, but he seen the vision, and that's what counts. And also, Corey and his boys built this dope ladder here with the reclaimed wood. We had this big old overhead piece. It was, 3 feet? Yeah. And by that just being gone, it just makes the space look so much bigger.
It does.
So guys, I'm Shark the Builder. Call me. My number is 773-900-6659. I am taking appointments right now and share my videos.